Hello friends, do you know that Microsoft Word has two inbuilt ways to calculate expression? So let's start. Let us say I want to calculate value of this expression, right? So what do? So I go and simply click on this button for calculate, and the result of this calculation will be displayed at the bottom. How to add this calculator button in quick access toolbar? To add calculate button, you click on this down arrow and then click on more commands, then select all commands from choose commands from, and then you can search for calculate. So in some version of Microsoft Word, the command calculate is with the name of tools calculate. In some older version, it is simply calculate, and then once it is there, you simply click on add. So it will add this into your quick access toolbar, then click OK and it will be available. So whenever you want to calculate any expression, you select the expression and then click on calculate, and the result will be shown in the bottom. Now moving to the method 2. The method 2 is more general, like the result will not be displayed elsewhere, it will be displayed in your Word document. So your expression will get converted into results in Word document. So how to do that? Let us say I want to calculate the similar expression. So what I'll do is, wherever I want to get the result, I simply place my cursor there and then press Ctrl F9. It will give me these two curly braces and inside equal to and then the expression like 3.14 into 5 raised to 2. Once you are done with the expression, you can press F9 or right click and click on update field, and it will give you a value in Word document itself. These are the two methods. The advantage of second method is, like, whenever you want to see what is the basis or how this value has come, you can again right click and click on toggle field code. You will see the entire expression there. So all the data that is used for the calculation is not lost, it is there. So these are the two methods by which you can calculate the value of expression.